So what is the welfare effects of monopoly? What we see is we know that the competitive firm maximizes welfare. We learned that last time. Okay? We know that the best you can do is to sell 8 units at a price of 16. What happens when you sell 6 units at a price of 18? What happens is consumer surplus falls from A plus B plus C. Okay? So with perfect competition, consumer surplus is A plus B plus C. Okay? With a monopoly, consumer surplus falls to the area A. So you lose B plus C with monopoly. Okay? Producer surplus under perfect competition was the area D plus E. Now under monopolists, the producer surplus is equal to D plus E to D plus E plus B. Okay? So the producer, the monopolist in this case, gained the rectangle B, but gave up the rectangle E. The consumer lost the rectangle B. That was a transfer to the monopolist. So there was a transfer of the rectangle B from the consumer to the monopolist. But C plus E have disappeared. They're dead weight loss. They're dead weight loss because in the perfectly competitive equilibrium, these are trades that would have made both parties better off. That is, these are trades which socially should happen. They are trades where the value to the consumer exceeds the cost of producing that unit. Those 7th and 8th units are units. So take the 7th unit. What's that worth to someone? Well, it's worth 17, right? We can read that off the demand curve. That's a willingness to pay curve. People are willing to pay 17 for that 7th unit. What's it cost to produce? It costs 14. So you have a unit which people want more than it costs to produce, yet it's not getting sold. That's dead weight loss. So monopolists induce dead weight loss because units that people value above their marginal cost doesn't get sold.